Hi, this is Gary with MacMost Now. On today's episode, let's convert text to spoken audio. So consider the situation where you've got a long text document, maybe a report or news article that you want to read, and you've got a long car ride or perhaps a jog in the future. Well, you can create an audio file of spoken text from that document using Automator. Let's take a look. So when we run Automator, the first thing we want to do is choose the template. We'll just do a simple workflow here. Then on the left, we can search for commands to add to the right. Now what appears here will depend upon what applications you have installed, but some of the defaults are always there, like the get contents from clipboard. We'll drag that over and add that. And then we'll search for speak, and if we actually search for speech, we can look and find text to audio file. We'll drag that there. So we have a very simple thing where you get the contents of a clipboard, and then it puts the text to an audio file. Now it'll ask for a voice and for you to define a file name here. What we can do is, instead of defining the file name, we go to options and check off show this action. And that means that when it gets to this step, instead of just doing these defaults, it will actually prompt us and ask for a voice and a file name and location to save to, which is what we want, so we can name it something appropriate. So let's test it out here. In the web browser, I've selected some text. I'll copy it to the buffer, and then I'll go back to Automator and hit the Run button, and then it will prompt me for a voice and a file name. Then when it's done, I will see that there's a file now created on the desktop, and I play it, I can see what the results are.
MacMost.com is a site for people who want to learn more about their Mac.
So let's say we don't want to do selected text, we want to actually convert a file. So we can do that by changing what's here at the beginning. Let's remove the clipboard function there, and let's start with files and folders here on the left and ask for Finder items. I'll drag that over there, and you can customize this if you want. So the next step we want to do is open that file, and we can do that using the Open Finder Items action. Put that right there, and it'll ask us what to open it with. We can select from the list Text Edit, and then the next thing after that would be to get the content of the Text Edit document. So let's search for Text Edit, and we can see Get Contents right here. So now it'll ask for a Finder item, open it in Text Edit, and get the contents of the current Text Edit document, and then we'll feed that into the audio file that we're going to create. So let's test it out. On the desktop, I've got test.rtf, which is a text edit document. I will choose it, and it will then prompt me for the name of the file to export. And when I'm done, I actually have this file here. It's test2.aif, and I can try it out.
This is a test.
So you can continue to use this as an Automator workflow. You could also save it as an application by going to Save as and File Format Application. So once you have an audio file like that, you can just drag and drop it into iTunes, drag and drop it into a playlist there, and sync it with your iPod and your iPhone, and you very quickly and easily can have a file to listen to while on the go. Hope you like this look at creating spoken text audio files. Till next time, this is Gary Rosenzweig with MacMost Now.